Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this CHINT, okay, multimeter, palm size multimeter, it's like this, palm size, so let's look around the box, okay, CHINT, okay, like this, okay, good, okay, palm size, okay, CHINT from China, okay, good, 1C. Okay, okay. This is the technical spec. The technical spec. Okay. This can consider premium quality lah. CHINT product mostly is premium quality one. Okay. Okay. So basically, we review the box is like this. Inside the box like this. So now we will continue to look inside the box, okay? So let's look inside the box, including what item inside. Okay, battery inside. Okay, battery inside. AAA. Okay, go outside first. So this is the meter and the probe. Okay, so check it out. Meter inside. Okay, probe. Okay, basically it's like this. Okay, meter, probe. Inside got meter and probe and battery. Okay, inside here, mostly it's like this. Meter, probe, battery. So we look inside this. Okay, what inside this? Meter. Oh, this is the QA/QC form. The manual the operation manual okay, Chinese one. Okay, sure it's from China one. So now I'm gonna put this battery inside this and on it, okay? So please wait a while, okay? Please wait a while. Okay guys, now the battery I already installed inside this meter. So now we're gonna test the buzzer. Okay, this buzzer. Okay, so mostly this is the range, backlight and select. Okay, now we set to the now we install this first. Plug this one, black com. Red for this, you see, buzzer. Okay, so basically we just turn it to buzzer. Okay, buzzer. So we make sure the selected is buzzer, not the diode, buzzer. Okay, now we just touch it again. Okay. Okay. Okay, got buzzer. Okay, so this is good in condition. So we try the backlight first. Okay, backlight on. Okay, close. So basically it's like this for this CHINT meter, we can consider it is a premium quality meter. Okay, so this is my review So we check first okay, so basically this is my review for this CHINT model ZT-Y0101C multimeter. Okay, then thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.